Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series launch is getting closer. The company will unveil the upcoming flagship smartphones at the Unpacked event on January 17th. This year's collection will have 3 models: the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra, similar to previous series. These phones will definitely be some of the top-notch Android options available. However, in today's economic conditions, consumers are more curious about the price than the specifications. Luckily, a recent leak has offered insights into the expected pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. The European prices for the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra have been revealed. According to the reports, the starting price for the company's upcoming flagship models will be €899. This price is for the base model with 128GB, while the top-tier S24 Ultra will be priced at €1,569. Additionally, there will be a 1TB version of the phone, but its price has not been revealed yet. In a simple comparison, the iPhone 15 with 128GB storage recently launched in Europe for an average of €945. The prices for the 15 Plus are €1,049, €1,249 for the 15 Pro, and €1,449 for the 15 Pro Max. When comparing, it seems Samsung has reduced prices, especially in the base model, to better compete with Apple. Moreover, considering last year's starting price of €949 for the S23, these claims gain more credibility. As you know, the company has been facing challenges in flagship sales for some time. However, it's expected that competitive pricing will change this situation. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. One, peace out.